Alright, this is the shed cleanup. You know how you start one project and it leads into another. I was starting my gardening project this morning, and I have been wanting to collect these boards that have been floating around my pond, and then they had been on the land. So I decided, instead of getting the hay, since my husband's feeding the horse, that I'd go ahead and collect these boards. And the intention of the repurpose of these boards is to put a floor in my shed. My shed did not have any flooring, it was just earth. So a few years back, me and the neighbor kids, we poured dirt and everything in here and leveled up the floor so it was as level as possible. And then I'm getting back to work, throwing stuff out of here so I can get to the floor. Alright, so far I got 8 boards laid down. Well, none of them were nailed in. I took all the nails out of them, laid them how I'm going to use them, except for that one. I've decided to lay it like these other boards, and then I'm going to put all my gardening stuff on the shelf, because I don't want my bottles to fall off this crappy built shelf. That would not be good. So I'm going to put the stuff over here that's not breakable, gardening supplies all over here, and then get me another shelf. And man, but you know, storage places get away from you. So I shall continue after my small break.